To keep it simple, we bought a house in Naples for $500,000 and put the title in my husband's name. Everything was fine until he passed away. After that, I couldn't sell the property because the estate was frozen. Probate took over a year and cost me $15,000 in fees.
Well, first of all, my condolences on the passing of your husband. I know it must be difficult for you. And then having all of those probate problems is additionally very upsetting. It's not a good way to own the property, unfortunately, having it in your husband's name. I know. Canadian attorneys sometimes recommend that. It just doesn't work in Florida. Why? Because of the Florida probate problem. What could have been done? What should have been done? It should never have been put it in his name alone. A better way is a cross-border trust. Why? Because in a cross-border trust, there is no probate. How's it work? The property is titled in the cross-border trust. And when the client passes away, it doesn't affect the probate. Why? Because the trust owns it and the trust did not die. Therefore, no probate. The property will go directly to whomever the client has told us to say in the trust, i.e. the spouse or the children or maybe the girlfriend, who knows, or the boyfriend. And in any event, it doesn't have a probate problem. Additionally, the cross-border trust has other advantages. For example, all our clients worry about their children and what's going to happen to the inheritance. In the cross-border trust, when the children inherit, it's protected. How? If the kid has creditor problems thereafter, goes bankrupt or has a judgment, the judgment creditor cannot seize the inheritance. It's safe in the cross-border trust. Alternatively, what happens if the son or the daughter, after inheriting, has a divorce? And the ex says, sorry, honey, don't want to be with you anymore, but I want half of everything. Very nice. Okay, what happens is the inheritance, if it's in the cross-border trust, is protected. What about incapacity? Avoids those problems too. The cross-border trust protects in the event that the husband or the wife becomes incapacitated, the property can still be sold. And you get the low capital gain tax rate. Cross-border trust, a lot better way to go than having it owned individually.